We got some packs for the new year. I spent just under $9 on these 2 packs. We're looking for the Charizards. Starting with the first pack, let's test my luck for this year. I'm gonna work on trying to be grateful for this year. Not expecting too much. Let's see what we get. Never mind, I'm not gonna be grateful. This is bad. I don't want to start my new year like this. Hopefully we'll get something, and even if we don't, it's okay. We'll just open more and more.
What?
Yep, you heard me. Last pack magic.